Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove background color of the text box in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, then show the Google Sheets file is the then show text box is the background color. This background color is from the remove. Now double click from the text box, then and click for the text box option. Now going to the fill color option, then click for the transparent option. That's it. Now click for the save and close option. That's then show the remove background color of the text box in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.